So in this lesson, we're going to look at using tape diagrams to find equivalent ratios. This is only one method for finding equivalent ratios. You don't have to make tape diagrams, but I would like everyone to try the tape diagrams now because they can be helpful when we get to harder problems. So for the first example, Mason and Laney ran laps to train for the long distance running team. The ratio of the number of laps Mason ran to the number of laps Laney ran was 2 to 3. Mason, you're a little bit of a slacker. If Mason ran 4 miles, how far did Laney run? Draw a tape diagram to demonstrate how you found the answer. Well, these numbers are super simple, so you might not need a tape diagram, but let's practice the tape diagram with a simple one. So we draw Mason had 2 boxes, Laney 3, and we get that from our ratio 2 to 3. It says Mason ran 4 miles. So that means in these 2 boxes there are 4 miles. So how many miles are in each box? Yep, in each box there would be 2 miles. So that means in Laney's boxes there's also 2 miles in each box. So how far did Laney run? Laney ran 6 miles, 2 plus 2 plus 2, or you could have just done 3 times 2. All right, let's look at one a little harder. If Laney ran 930 miles, how far did Mason run? Draw a tape diagram to demonstrate how you found the answer. Okay, so this is a little trickier with a bigger number. Mason 2 boxes, Laney 3. We still say with the same ratio, 2 to 3. It says Laney ran 930 miles. Well, there's 3 boxes there, so how many miles go into each box? Yep, 310 go in each box, so that also means 310 go in these boxes. So how far did Mason run? Mason ran 620 miles. Josie took a long multiple choice end of year vocabulary test. The ratio of the number of problems Josie got incorrect to the number of problems she got correct is 2 to 9. If Josie missed 8 questions, how many did she get correct? Well, first let's set up our tape diagram. You should be doing this on your paper. We've got incorrect and correct. 2 for incorrect, 9 for correct. So she missed 8 questions. What's going to go in each box? Yep, 4 is going to go in each box. So how many did she get correct? She got 36 questions correct. 4 times 9. Let's look at another one. If Josie missed 20 questions, how many did she get correct? All right, let's set up the tape diagram with incorrect and correct. And it says she missed 20. That means 20 are incorrect. So what's going to go in each box? Yep, 10 is going to go in each box. So how many questions did she get correct? She got 90 questions correct. Holy cow, that was a long test. 90 correct and 20 incorrect means there were 110 questions. Boy, I got to make longer tests. Okay, last example. In a bag of mixed walnuts and cashews, the ratio of the number of walnuts to the number of cashews is 5 to 6. Determine the amount of walnuts that are in the bag if there are 54 cashews. Use a tape diagram to support your work. So try this one on your own. Make the tape diagram and see if you can figure out how many walnuts would be in the bag. So if you made your tape diagram, you would see that 9 would go in each box and there would be 45 walnuts in the bag. So I hope this video helped you with using tape diagrams to solve equivalent ratio problems. Remember, You want to create your tape diagram based on the ratio, and be sure to label the diagram so you know which boxes go with which topic. Then use division to find out what number goes in each box. It's really not too hard.